everyone. Welcome back to your English class. Today we will be doing writing section. And in writing section, today we will do paragraph writing. Now, what is paragraph writing? You all have written paragraph writings many a times. But what is a paragraph writing? Paragraph writing is a group of sentences with one topic, that is only one main idea. We cannot deviate from that idea. The whole paragraph is related to that one idea or one topic. In Greek, the word means to write beside. Now, what are the parts of paragraph writing? It has three parts: topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. So let us see this in detail. Paragraph writing. What is a paragraph writing? It is a group of sentences with one topic, that is one idea. Parts. The first part is topic sentence. It deals with the main idea. You can also say that generally it is the first sentence of the paragraph. So the main idea is stated in the topic sentence. Generally it is the first sentence of the paragraph. Number B, supporting sentences. It elaborates upon and prove the topic sentence. So here in this part we write sentences related to the topic sentence. And the last one, that is concluding sentence. It is the final statement that ties together the ideas given in the paragraph. So I am again repeating. Paragraph writing has three parts: topic sentence, that is the main sentence idea, and generally the first sentence. Supporting sentences, they tell us more about the topic sentence. And concluding sentence, that is the final statement that ties together the main idea of the paragraph. Now, let us see the elements of a paragraph writing. The first element is unity. Now, what is unity? Unity in a paragraph begins with a topic sentence. It deals with the main topic sentence. Paragraph is unified around the main idea. So, unity refers to the topic sentence. Next comes order. Order means the way we organize or arrange our supporting sentences. Now, depending on the requirement or demand of the topic sentence, the way we are arranging or organizing our supporting sentences is what we see in order. In well-ordered paragraph, readers follow the idea easily. Order helps the reader to grasp the meaning clearly and avoid confusion. Now, the third element is coherence. It's a quality that makes our writing understandable. So, it is the quality which makes our writing understandable. It connects the sentences and try to make it a whole. It connects to each other and work as a whole. Now the fourth element is completeness. Here the sentences are clear and supportive. It is well developed. So, it supports the main idea, then only the paragraph is complete. Completeness, once again I am repeating, it means a paragraph is well developed, the sentences are clear and support the main idea, and then only the paragraph is complete. Now let us write a paragraph and I will explain you all the elements as well as the parts. Students, you are supposed to note down this paragraph in your English grammar copy. And the topic is a morning walk. The topic is a morning walk. On weekends, I love to go. Start writing, students. On weekends, I love to go for a morning walk with my father. Full stop. On weekends, I love to go for a morning walk with my father. Full stop. As I have to get ready for school on other days, comma, as I have to get ready for school on other days, comma, I do not get a chance to go for a walk daily. To go for a walk daily. Full stop. My father and I wear our track suits. My father and I wear our track suits and sports shoes for the walk. Full stop. We go to a nearby park called Rock Garden. Full stop. We go to a nearby park called Rock Garden. Full stop. Early in the morning, the air is fresh. The air is fresh and sweet smelling. Full stop. Sweet smelling, that means it smells very sweet and the air is fresh. Early in the morning, the air is fresh and sweet smelling. Full stop. As we walk together, comma, we look at the beautiful trees. Comma, colorful flowers. And birds in the park. We meet many people. After park, we have given full stop, students. We meet many people who are either walking along with us or jogging or doing exercises. Full stop. We meet many people who are either walking along with us or jogging or doing exercises. Full stop. My father and I talk about a lot of things. My father and I talk about a lot of things as we walk. Full stop. When I feel tired, comma. When I feel tired, comma, we sit down on one of the benches. We sit down on one of the benches and rest a little. Full stop. And rest a little. Full stop. But we soon resume our walk. Resume means to start again. But we soon resume our walk. Full stop. We return home after about an hour. We return home after about an hour. Full stop. A morning walk gives a good start to our day. Gives a good start to our day. Full stop. We feel fresh and energetic. We feel fresh and energetic the whole day. Full stop. We feel fresh and energetic, that means full of energy, and we feel fresh. We feel fresh and energetic the whole day. So students, note down. On weekends, I love to go for a morning walk with my father. As I have to get ready for school on other days, I do not get a chance to go for a walk daily. My father and I wear our tracksuits and sports shoes for the walk. We go to a nearby park called Rock Garden. Early in the morning, the air is fresh and sweet smelling. Full stop. As we walk together, we look at the beautiful trees, colorful flowers and birds in the park. We meet many people who are either walking along with us or jogging or doing exercises. My father and I talk about a lot of things as we walk. When I feel tired, we sit down on one of the benches and rest a little, but we soon resume our walk. We return home after about an hour. A morning walk gives a good start to our day. We feel fresh and energetic the whole day. Hope students, you have completed the work. You are supposed to note down this in your English grammar copy. Thank you, students.